Hi guys, welcome to A Cumbrian Lad Outdoors and welcome to today's video. Following last Friday's beautiful wild camp up on Silverhow, the weather this week is not so kind. We've got heavy thunderstorms and heavy rain forecast everywhere. So me and the Bewley brothers, we've decided on a nice chilled out woodland hammock camp where hopefully we'll get some thunder and lightning, some heavy rain on the tarp, and we can just chill out and have some beers. So I'm just heading to the Bewley brothers local woods. You've seen me camp there a couple of times before, and like I say, we're just going to have a nice chilled hammock camp. You can see there we've got some lovely blue sky, but over there you can see the stormies coming. When I left home it was starting to thunder and it was raining heavily. Got to Carlisle to get some supplies. Beautiful blue skies. Just as I was heading back to the car, the rain started, and it's rained all the way here, and it's now just mizzling. We've just had a heavy shower as I was sat in the car. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get to camp. I think Daz is already there. I'm going to get myself set up, and then we'll bring you back for some thunderstorm wild camping fun. I'm just walking into the woodland now. We've got some lovely dancing fairies going on over there. Daz and Andy already set up. Brothers! Oh, great, mate. Come here, show me some love.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I, brother.
Yes, sir, brother.
Woo!
How you doing?
All right, Andy.
All right. I'll try not to get my side on.
Oh. Right, like I say, get that tarp set up, get the hammock and that set up, and yeah, time for a bit of wild camping fun in hopefully, fingers crossed, a raging thunderstorm, boys.
Let's hope so.
Let's hope so.
Last time.
Well, that's me all set up. Met Office, you've let us down. We've got blooming bright sunshine here. There's a few clouds through the trees, but directly above me, blue skies and bright sunshine. Hopefully this thunderstorm does make an appearance. Last time Daz and Andy were here, they were also wanting a thunderstorm that was forecast, and it just turned out to be a bit of a wet fart, didn't it, boys? Yeah, so fingers crossed we're going to get some thunder and some heavy rain. Nothing better when you sat under the tarp than listening to that rain land on it and thunder rumbling away and a bit of lightning going on. As you can see, we've got ourselves set up in a lovely cosy little circly square type arrangement. I've got my DD 4x4, my One Tigris Kompound hammock and my cheap under blanket. The usual suspects underneath there, my jet boil. I've got some sausages for tea with some mushy peas and potatoes, and I'm going to have sausage butties for morning. Tactical duck. If you know, you know. If you don't, we can't blimmin' tell you, can we? Now I know last camp I said I was off the beers, but you can't come to the woods and have a chilled hammock camp and have no beers. So I've got 4 beers for tonight. Just taking it nice and canny still. Daz and Andy are in their usual setups. Daz is also in the DD 4x4 multicam with his DD hammock and snug pack under blanket. Andy is in the DD 3.5 by 4.5.
4.5 by 3.
4.5 by 3. Also DD XL hammock, and that's the DD under blanket.
DD under blanket.
Yeah, and you've got a few beers there as well.
A few beers.
So all is good apart from the fact we haven't had no blimmin' thunder yet. So yeah, going to pop the camera down for a little while, grab a beer with these boys, have a good catch up, and then hopefully we'll get some exciting thunder and lightning.
We need to do a thunder dance.
Thunder dance.
Thunder dance. Like this.
Thunder dance.
Thunder dance.
Thunder dance.
Thunder dance in your pants.
Thunder dance, everyone. Yes, I'm meow. Well, we've been chilling at camp for a few hours now, had a couple of beers, and it's almost food time. Met Office has still let us down. We keep getting some odd showers, and it has clouded over, as you can probably see, but there's no sign of these thunderstorms yet at all. So some more chill out time is required. We're going to have a few more beers, and I'll bring you back for some food, and hopefully when these thunderstorms hit.
Hello and welcome to this little segue in a Cumbrian Lad Outdoors video.
We've nicked his camera.
We've nicked it! So
No.
what can we say about this camp so far?
It's raining.
The rain is coming down a lot stronger than when you last seen. The fire over there, it's still going strong.
Now, Paul was saying earlier that he's been knocking in a load of overtime this week and he's just dozed off, so we've nicked his camera. But we've really just nicked the camera to say, subscribe to a Cumbrian Lad Outdoors, he's awesome.
Yeah.
He's our brother.
We'd love to say that YouTube is his main job, but unfortunately, no, he has a full-time job, and he, as Daz says, he's been absolutely smashing the overtime. And what can we say about Paul?
He's a dude.
He's a dude. He's a good friend of ours.
We love him.
You'll have seen us in a good couple of his videos,
One or two.
and yeah,
Give him a sub and hit the bell button.
definitely.
You can come look at the Bewley Brothers as well if you want.
But yeah, he was well up for coming up camping tonight, and he was excited for the rain.
We've got it.
We've got it. He wanted to get a good slow-mo of the rain coming off his tarp.
Yes.
But at the moment, he's looking like a good advertisement for OEX. If we pan you around, check out that OEX chair. Paul, he's dozed off in that. If that does not earn some OEX sponsorship,
Yeah.
I don't know what does.
Give Paul some free gear at OEX. Get on it.
Yeah. OEX, your chair's so comfortable, you can fall asleep in it. And if I pan you around again, down there, about here, you can see he's only had about two tins of beer.
He brought four, I think.
So there's two sat down there crushed. There's one stood up beside him that I can guarantee it's about half full. But yeah, he's dozed off.
Get me there. Come
Oh
on.
yeah, sorry, I wasn't looking at the camera. Hey. That's why we're not YouTube
We're not professional. We don't care.
connoisseurs, no. So yeah, so I hope you've enjoyed this little segue. It probably won't make the edit, but it will make Paul laugh when
Yes.
he sees it, when he's doing his edit.
Love you, brother. Yes, I.
So much love.
From the Bewley Brothers
From
and a
the
sleeping Cumbrian Lad Outdoors.
The rain's coming down now, but as you can see, we've got the sausages on the go, on the jet boil with the attachment for the pans and stuff. A big thanks to Daz from the Bewley Brothers for sending me that. The rain is coming down, as you can hear. No sign of thunderstorms yet, so fingers crossed. So the Cumberland sausages are done. I've just turned the gas off. Just gonna let them warm up a bit more. And then it is most definitely scran time. This is just camping perfection. Oh ho ho ho! Sausages. Sausage butties. Get in my belly. Oh! Ho ho ho! So good. It's time to switch the camera off and enjoy camp. Enjoy the photos, etc. And I will see you in the morning.
Hello and welcome back to Cumbrian Lad Outdoors. Now, as you'll have previously seen in our other little segue, Paul was asleep. Since then, he has awoken and he's had some food. And being the professional that he is, right over there, if you see his tarp, there's a toggle there. Right underneath, there's his plate. So every drip that comes off his tarp is landing on that plate and cleaning it. So me being the novice, I've copied him I've put my mess tin right underneath the corner of my tarp. That's catching all the drips and cleaning it. But as you can tell, Paul's not here. Paul, being the hard worker that he is,
He's in the land of Nod.
he's in the ladder nod. He's nodded off. But we're still awake anyway. We're keeping that fire going. You may have heard that he said earlier that there was another lad that he was expecting to come.
Yep, my brother-in-law Dale hasn't showed up.
He's not coming now, so it's just the three of us. So far it's been a brilliant camp.
Mint on it.
Yeah.
Three
it's
Cumbrian lads.
3 Cumbrian lads. Now I have perfected the art of stomping on a cam. I don't use my foot anymore. I crush it by hand and then I stomp it down with a stone. So that there, in that old tin of beans, what you see there is 8 cans of beer.
You drink far too much.
Probably, yeah. So, but yeah, that's some space saving. So that's a tip for you. Crush it by hand first, stamp on it with your foot, then crush it down with a stone. But I'll leave you now with a view of this fire. And we shall catch you in the morning. Ta-da!
Everyone. The other 2 lads are still asleep, so I'm going to be talking quite quietly. Yeah, last night was pretty uneventful really. The thunderstorms never really happened. Had some heavy downpours, but that was about it. It's a bit breezy this morning. Just laid in my hammock chilling. Yeah, it's quite nice really, nice and relaxing. It's now about 6 o'clock in the morning. Plenty of daylight. So, yeah, I'm quite full off my sausages last night. I think I'm going to bomb breakfast off, and I'm just going to get myself up and get torn down and get myself away home. So yeah, just a quick video of this one, guys. Yeah, this one shows you if you're sensible about it, you can still get out in bad weather and still have a good time. Yeah, like I say, I'm going to get myself up, get myself torn down, and get all packed up and get myself away home. So I'll bring you back before I head away home. Well, it's 5 to 7 and that's me back at the car. Like I say, just a quick video of this one. A nice chilled woodland hammock camp. Even though the weather was forecast to be really bad, it didn't turn out to be that way. I'm a bit disappointed by that. I was looking forward to hammock camping in a thunderstorm. But like I say, it just goes to show you that even if the weather's bad and you're being sensible, you know, it wouldn't have been wise to go out in the fells with the weather forecast the way it was. You can still get out and have some fun camping. Thank you very much for clicking on the video. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as we all have. So once again, until next time, stay safe. Much love from a Cumbrian lad.